The Tulma and Vallo are Oromo, not Habasha. By Asfa Jalta. The primary purpose of this work is to debunk the claims of Yeats based on the historical, cultural, and identity of the Tulma and Vallo Oromo and to link them to the larger Oromo nation. The Tulma and Vallo are two branches of the Oromo nation, which live in northern and central Oromia, the Oromo country, respectively. In his book, The Other Abyssinians, The Northern Oromo and the Creation of Modern Ethiopia, 1855 to 1913, Brian J. Yeats, 2020, overgeneralizes the experiences of a few collaborator individuals from the Tulma and Vallo Oromo to the affairs of these Oromo groups. He claims that the Tulma and Vallo Oromo participated in the construction of the modern Ethiopian state between 1855 and 1913 and, in the process, became Habasha by abandoning their Oromo culture and identity. Today, everyone would have rejected their separate cultures and identities and become English and French if colonization had changed the customs and distinctiveness of the conquered peoples. But the only thing colonialism does is make cooperative classes out of the dominating population groups and then use these classes as middlemen to help subaltern communities be exploited and oppressed. The situation between Tulma and Vallo Oromo is not unique. The Oromo intermediaries from these Oromo groups were assimilated into the Amhara Habasha culture and stayed to promote their interests and those of their colonial masters at the cost of the Oromo masses. By using the critical and political economy analytical approaches, this review essay debunks the claims that the author of the book made by ignoring the history, culture, and identity of the Oromo people, which have been suffering under Habasha colonialism in general, and Amhara colonialism in particular, for more than a century. The Tulma and Vallo Oromo have rights like their Oromo brothers and sisters to maintain their Oromo culture and identity and achieve self-determination, social justice, and democracy without being forced to accept Habasha's identity. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.